Hi guys, if you are looking for ways to earn some extra cash on Midjourney and you don't know how to start or where to start, well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 easy ways to make money with Midjourney. Midjourney is a revolutionary AI program that has taken the world of artificial intelligence by storm with its unique style of generating high-quality images from text descriptions. With Midjourney, you can create pieces of art that are not only beautiful but also sellable. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home, parent, or just looking to supplement your income, these methods are perfect for anyone looking to earn some extra cash. So grab your pen and paper and let's dive right in. Number 1. AI-generated prints. Prints of art have been a good way for artists to make money for hundreds of years, and this is still true for AI-generated art. AI-generated art can be made into limited edition prints that artists can sell online or at art shows. Prints are a cheaper option for people who would like to own art but can't afford the original. Artists can reach more people and get more audiences by making high-quality prints of their AI-generated art. Artists can also make more money and get more attention by selling prints of their work. There are a few platforms to sell your prints on, such as Society6, Redbubble, and Etsy, but I would advise you to use them all to maximize your earnings. Number 2. AI art merchandise. Another way to make money with your AI-generated art is to use it to make print-on-demand products. You make a design and upload it to sites like Printify, Teespring, Zazzle, and Redbubble, which are all online stores. Then these websites will print your design on t-shirts, hoodies, posters, notebooks, foam covers, and stickers, among other things. You will get a commission for each sale. Merchandise can be a great way for artists to market their work because people can wear or use the items in public, which is like a free advertisement for the artist. It can also give artists an extra way to make money and help them reach a bigger audience. Number 3. Commission works. Another option for earning money from your AI-generated graphics is by selling them as a service to individuals or businesses that require them for their own projects. If you want to sell graphics, the first thing you need to do is make a portfolio that shows off your skills and the designs that you can make. With a portfolio, you can start advertising your graphic design services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork to find out how much you should charge. You can browse for graphic design jobs such as those for a 2D concept artist. The pricing is flexible, and you may be able to earn a substantial amount quickly. Before we get to the 4th way to make money, I wanted to tell you that here at the Empire, we help you build your empire, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 4. Make content about AI art. As a skilled writer or content creator, you have the opportunity to generate income by establishing a blog or a YouTube channel, selling advertising space, engaging in affiliate marketing, or offering paid subscriptions. You can make money from your blog. Paid posts on your channel or blog are another way to make money. If you want to teach other people how to use AI to make art, you can make courses or workshops and sell them on online learning platforms like Udemy. You can also share your content on blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels. Once you have a big following, you can make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Number 5. Sell your AI art. One easy way to make money is to sell AI art on online marketplaces. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a way for artists to sell their unique digital art on blockchain networks. These platforms let artists make and sell their digital art as NFTs. NFTs are popular, and now they are the best way to buy and sell digital art. Artists can sign up for accounts on popular marketplaces like SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, and OpenSea and start selling their AI-generated art as NFTs. AI art is still a fairly new field, and there are a lot of ways for artists to make money with art made by AI. Number 6. Selling books. The final way to make money with AI-generated art is to make kids' books and sell them on platforms like Amazon KDP, BookScouter, and AbeBooks. It might require more than just the art, but it's worth it, and it isn't as hard as you think. You can use another AI to create a store for the book and another website to create the book layouts. ChatGPT is one of the great AIs to write stories. As a language model, it can provide prompts and suggestions to help you develop your story ideas, as well as generate text based on the prompts you give it. To get started, you can provide it with a general idea or prompt for your story, such as a theme, setting, or character. Based on that prompt, it can generate some initial text to help you develop your story further. You can then use the generated text to further improve your story and add your own creative ideas to it. You can also ask it to generate specific details or plot points to help you move the story forward. And you can use Canva for the layouts and edit the book. Then add the AI-generated images to the book, export it as a PDF, and list it on your favorite platform. Whether you choose to sell your artwork as NFTs on online marketplaces or create commissions, Works licenses your artwork to companies that create prints or merchandise. There are a lot of ways to make money with AI art, but it takes hard work and dedication, just like any other business. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on how to make money online. Also, if you have any questions or comments about Midjourney or making money online in general, please leave them in the comments section below. I love hearing from my viewers and I'm always happy to help out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.